Step 1. Installation of screws for fixing the laser head. Open the package and take out the contents. Take out the laser head and find the corresponding screw. There is 1 hand screw, 3 small screws. Take out the hand screws inside the bag. Putting the laser head on the shelf, install the hand screws in the upper right corner by hand. The other 3 screws are mounted in the other 3 screw hole locations. Take one of the other 3 small screws. Use a screwdriver to install the screws in the lower right screw hole position. Take out the other screw. Use a screwdriver to install the screws in the upper left screw hole position. Take out the last screw. Use a screwdriver to install the screws in the lower left screw hole position. Step 2. Installing the laser head power cord. The power cable of the laser head has been fixed on the X-axis. Please note that the cable connector has a groove that corresponds to the convex groove of the laser connector. Just insert it. Step 3. Installation of air hose for air pump. Simply insert the air hose into the corresponding position. Step 4. Installation of limit switches. Insert the 2 connectors on the laser head into the corresponding positions. Step 5. Mounting flanges and exhaust pipe. Connecting the air pump. Now you're ready to boot up and get to work. Please refer to the manual on our website for software settings, or refer to our YouTube channel at Glufilaser to see a video explanation. For example, how to use Glufi Aim series with Lightburn. Thank you for your watching.